Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing extremely fine. My name is Prince and you are watching the Tech Stream. In this video, I am going to show you the latest build of ColorOS 12.1 C.29 which has been released for the OnePlus 8 series. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So OnePlus has released new update for ColorOS 12.1 based on Android 12 for the OnePlus 8 series devices. If I go into the about info section, you can see that the build number is C.29 and we get the latest security patch of 5th May 2022. Moving on, let's run some benchmarks on this build. In Geekbench, the device scores 910 in single core and 3064 in multi-core, which is a little higher than the last time. Note that these scores were without the high performance mode. With high performance mode, the device scores 905 in single core and 3013 multi-core. Weird that the scores reduce in high performance mode. However, the scores are almost as equal to the previous builds. In CPU throttling test, the CPU throttled up to 79% to its capacity, and the performance has definitely increased a lot. And honestly, the performance on ColorOS 12 is really good and much higher than OxygenOS 12. The device just flies through everyday tasks without any hiccups or lags, and I'm really happy with the performance of ColorOS 12.1. Now coming to the changelogs of this build, there are not much changes even though the update size was 4.6 GB. The first changelog says improved system stability in some scenarios. Honestly, I never faced any stability problems in ColorOS 12. The next changelog is a fix after setting the back screen gestures, and I never faced any problem like that. The next fix is regarding the screen always on when you receive a message from the app, and finally the last fix is regarding the camera crashes in certain scenarios. So those were all the changes and fixes, nothing much to show about. One important thing to notice is that the slow charging issues have been fixed now, and my OnePlus 8T charges from 1 to 100% in about 40 to 45 minutes, and you can see that warp charge 65 as the phone is charging at 65 watts. Another major improvement is that the Gmail and Telegram delayed notification issue has been resolved, and I am able to get notifications from these apps without any problem. Earlier I had to open these apps manually for getting notification, but this now has been resolved. For gaming, again, if I go into BGMI, the max FPS I can get is 55 to 60, and with Hyper Boost you get consistent FPS, but still there is no way to force 90 FPS in BGMI. If you want to do gaming, either install a custom ROM or roll back to OxygenOS 11. Overall, the ROM does feel more stable and snappier than OxygenOS 12, even with all the bloatware. The UI is very consistent and looks very good. All the animations and transitions also looks amazing. The performance is also better than OxygenOS 12, and again the battery is also better than OxygenOS 12. I suggest you to install ColorOS 12.1 over OxygenOS 12.1. So that was all the changes from ColorOS 12.1 build number 3.29. To install this build, you need to do a local upgrade from OxygenOS 11, or if you are on OxygenOS 12, you need to downgrade to OxygenOS 11. Refer to the video in the I button, and then local upgrade to ColorOS 12.1. Comment down if you are facing any problems with this build. Subscribe to the channel for more tech videos. Thank you for watching.